Shubor Nakashlem Jong Unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Kapule Putih Urakam Sangma ulayathu bana kalyang ketenat badepet ya Kapule Putih kilayo ban kem ya ki badan kti ban pelat tu ya ki kot Jingkylli jongga Mtet house nam araja khat khandai ya kani ka jingjubab Urakam ulayathu haki kenta keli Jingkylli balabo da UMLA ka Dedengre West Garo Hills Urupa Marak bakomba khat Ngut ki balayo bat syakem ya ki bale ya kani ka kamban pelat tu ya ki kot Jingkylli bat khat saungut lada khen kelum ya ki badan kti ha kani ka kam sho Urakam sangma uloong bakatolong jong ka korshon kot kadena NEICOM impression printing press ha Guwahati ya kani ka kam le tu lalap ningkong Hatura Government College West Garo Hills.
Reply to question number 56, sir. A, sir, yes. B, sir, 11 persons. C, sir, 14 persons have been arrested. D, sir, the program developer and employee of NEICOM Impression Printing Press Guwahati. E, sir, Tura Government College Press College, Tura, sir.
I don't have much to ask in this question, as Honorable Minister in charge has already replied to all the questions on which I need information. But still, I want to make one clarification on this, rather a clarification. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the steps that have been initiated by the department that such incidents do not occur in future?
Sir, definitely, sir.